Most marketers that make a lot of money know the secret in how you make the offer. And so inside Authority Accelerator, we built a course that's going to teach you how to set up some automated offer engines. And the first engine is what's called the free offer engine. We're going to teach you step-by-step how to create value and trust and authority before the sale, which allows the decision maker and the business owner to have zero risk, and they can make an instant decision to choose you. And then we're going to teach you as well the one-time offer engine that allows you to actually make a sale fast, where there's no long-term commitments, and you can also build huge value, huge trust and authority. So that most important is your residual offer engine that creates long-term predictable income that consistently allows you to upsell your services. And we call these breakthrough offers. Authority Accelerator will teach you how to create these breakthrough offers and supercharge your lead generation, your one-time sales, and residual income almost instantly. Now, the big question is, what's the perfect breakthrough offer that you can start getting customers fast? Well, I want to welcome you to Review Pops, a 100% automated way to market a business's 5-star reputation. It's an enterprise platform that we're going to give you inside Authority Accelerator that you can add multiple businesses to, and you can literally live stream their Google reviews to any website, any blog, any landing page, any place on the web, so you can market their reputation. You get 100% control of how all the reviews are branded and displayed, and is a powerful automated click to call on every single review. And the best part is it's set and forget fulfillment. You can literally copy and paste one simple line of code and you're done. You can collect checks each and every month. You can even add retargeting and tracking pixels to your Review Pops, so you can even upsell them traffic if you wanted. And we go into all that inside the course. It's the perfect foot in the door strategy for a free offer. Review Pops is the perfect one-time offer where you can make $500 to $1,000 per client for the year, and perfect residual offer to make thousands month after month after month. So let me show you how easy the fulfillment is. Literally, all you have to do is copy and paste this little piece of code right here inside any website, in the header of any website. WordPress, Wix, you name it, you can put it anywhere, and it will live stream their Google reviews, and they're gonna pay you each and every month to do that. Here's a fitness website where we copy and pasted the code in literally under 60 seconds. And as someone comes, you can see we're gently showing them, nudging them with these amazing 5-star reviews. And so as they scroll down, you can see that they're not only seeing these 5-star reviews, but they're also able to see the entire website. But we're reminding them that we're the most reputable company to do business with. And if they want to learn more, when you click on the actual 5-star review, you can see the entire thing. But more important than that, there is a call to action where businesses can now schedule appointments, get phone calls, get emails. It is an incredible way to convert traffic from any website, any blog, any funnel. So this 5-star review widget shows up on every single site. Typically, a normal company that uses any reviews puts it on a testimonial page, and those testimonial pages never get seen. Statistically, you can get a page to convert between 120 and 300% more just by showing their 5-star reviews. And that's exactly what we're doing. Every single visitor is now going to be able to see this company's 5-star reviews, and then click, and they're going to get more calls, more appointments, and more clients. And you're going to be the hero simply because you have Authority Accelerator. So we want you to jump in and start creating your breakthrough offers today, so you can start creating offers that supercharge your lead generation, your one-time sales, and your residual sales income almost instantly. If you're looking for a breakthrough, you're looking to get more customers, Authority Accelerator is the perfect offer, the perfect product for you to get right now. So look forward to seeing you inside Authority Accelerator.